I'm a booty master. You didn't cut in my woo. Call me gangster. I'ma get what you do. And they're satisfied. So I'm certified to be called local. I love your boing boing. So good taste just like boing boing. Come close, take off your boing boing. Check out, Lord, let me go boing boing. Oh yeah, Judy. I'm a Judy. Shake your booty like it's your duty. Oh yeah, Judy. I'm a Judy. Shake your booty like it's your duty.
You wanna see me shake my
Well, I'ma tell it like it is, no need to water it down. The way he wriggles, the way he jiggles is hitting me now. You got me thinking thoughts, I can get your soul lost forever. I'm Rugged Man, ladies back, boom, bender. I'm full African, nah, not mixed. There's only one thing we love more than tits, that's ass, baby. They innocent for your skills. Stylo, check out that wriggle. The woman got my heart racing, earth breaking, then I pause. All now for making no loss, cause I'm lost when it comes to dropping them draws.
Let me see you shake your body.
You wanna see me shake my
Go ahead, go shake your body.
okay, I'ma shake my
Let me rock your body.
Can you really work my
Girl, I'ma wreck your Yo, she a dip down, have me a piss. Hypnotize the way she a move her hips. Make me breathing switch, can't resist the way she a move like this. Ooh, my girl, you got me concerned up. Big it up, make me body burn up. Go on, gal, shake, gal, rotate it like a snake, gal. The way you're shaking it, it having me looking for you. You back it up and make me stick it up on you like glue. Give me the chance, make me show you all the play I do. Let me see you shake your body.
You wanna see me shake my
Go ahead, go shake your body.
okay, I'ma shake my
Let me rock your body.
Can you really work my
Girl, I'ma wreck your
Skills, style and treat. Rugged man, you know after the girls them love ladies with a big body. Drop that. JJC, aka Skills,
Rugged Records representer. Rugged Man. You know we love the ladies with the big. The ladies with the ooh. You know what I'm saying? Niger to London, London to Niger to Jamaica, man. Style legit.